Long-form content ranks highest in search engines. In this video, we build a full 3,000 plus word SEO blog post using AI tools. First, we conduct keyword research with Ahrefs to find target and semantic keywords. Next, we prompt ChatGPT to create an outline optimized for headings, readability, and user intent. Then, we write each section with GPT, integrating keywords naturally while keeping human tone. We generate a powerful introduction with a story hook, pain point, and promise. For body sections, we include examples, frameworks, and mini case studies for authority. We add data-backed statistics using AI web search plugins. The conclusion includes a CTA and engagement question for comments. We also write SEO meta title, meta description, and OG tags with GPT. For visuals, we use Midjourney to create custom feature images and in-content illustrations. Finally, we structure internal linking to related posts and set schema FAQ markup with GPT. By the end, you'll have a fully optimized, publication-ready blog post that ranks and converts readers into leads.